Dr. Rose with Natural Transplants, and we're here following up with Cameron. And this is only 7 months after his standard procedure with us, his Hue procedure at Natural Transplants. Wow. Tell me, Cameron, what's going on with all this hair?
Well, it's been a great journey, and I love how I came in, and they had a lot of things to show me, and they showed me other pictures of people. And when I came in, they took care of me and sat down and went through it, no pain. Went home, took the meds, came back, and 7 months later, here we go. So, and it's been a wonderful journey.
I'm so happy, and it looks incredible. This isn't even the final result yet. We still have got 5 more months for those hairs to mature. But look at that density. Do me a favor. Look down so we can really show kind of your before and hold it for me. Okay, just look down and hold it. Okay, now look to your right. Okay, look up a little bit for me. Cool. Look to your left. Look at those edges right there. I love that temple point. Came out really beautiful. All right, and then just look at me straight on again. Wow, what a difference. And then yeah, look all the way down. Bend down a little bit so I could see all the way. Awesome. All right, and there's that crown. Come back towards me. So we had discussed that we were going to fill in the front, and then you'll come back for your second one, and we'll fill in the crown. But it's incredible. You could see the difference. So, what are your friends saying?
They all just look, and when they look, they just stare to see something's different, but they can't picture it. They're just saying something's different.
That's the best because it looks natural. It fits your face.
Yeah, so I'm just so happy to have them do the job. They did an excellent job. They took care of me, and it's been life changing.
Oh, it really is. Well, you look amazing, and I can't say it again. It's still going to get thicker and more dense over the next 5 months. So let's touch base again in a year and plan that second surgery for you. But super thrilled for you, and it is a life changer. I'm so happy.
Yes, thank you all.
It's our pleasure.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.